Dharamshala, people are already preparing the upcoming 15th election of the Tibetan Parliament, a political event starting on October 3rd that will allow the public to vote for 10 members from each of the 3 traditional Tibetan provinces. During a press conference held at Hotel Tibet, members of the Dhotoe Volunteer Committee announced the 27 nominees for the elections. They presented a long list of names also detailing the function of each of those candidates, chosen for the active roles they have played within Tibetan society. Recalling the critical situation of Tibet, the members highlighted the importance of those elections. Mr. Sangye Tashi also talked about his own involvement. Mr. Sangye Tashi also insisted on the respect his organisation was according to the democratic rules. All the information collected so far will be distributed to the public in order to better inform them before voting.